Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we completed our most recent project, which was a 2006 Toyota Alphard rear conversion without a pop-top roof. One of the features of this vehicle was a Fiamma F35 Pro Awning 1.8 meters. The awning's available up to 3 meters and goes up in about 300mm increments. Now I have a lot of questions surrounding awnings when people are designing their build. Should they get one? Shouldn't they get one? Is it hard to put up? Will I be able to take it down? And I wanted to show you this 1.8 meter awning is ideal for somebody traveling alone. It's lightweight, practical, and a great addition to any campervan. Enjoy the video, and I hope it helps. That'll do ya. Right. 2 clips. Pull it out. Let it roll down. Nice and easy. Now here you want to make sure that the hook end is facing the vehicle, like so. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to release this clasp first and extend this leg. That's sort of the trick to doing this. You see a lot of people having to wrestle with them. If you know the process, it's not too hard to do them. Release this awning all the way out to here, these legs down. And then what we're going to do is you take this leg here, walk it into the vehicle to this clip, and then we're just going to listen for the clicks. So 1 click, 2 clicks. So that side's locked in place now. That's simple. Again here, you release the leg here, back down, walk it into the vehicle. And just listen to the clicks again. That's 1, that's 2. Wind's picking up, so it's good to show you how robust the awning actually is. And we just have a little pin here that we push in, pull this extension leg down after this clip. Pull this leg down here, all the way down to hear the click. Basically a game of clicks getting this thing right. Same on the other side. Pull that up. Extend this leg here to there, extend that one to there. That's essentially it, that's the awning up. So obviously wind's not too bad today, so it's a bit sagging, it's not too bad, but obviously if it was windy that would act as a sail and we want to take off. So I find when it's windy you want to just take it a little bit more taut, 2 clicks each side. That's it. Obviously it does come with pegs and guy ropes, which are perfect if you're on grass, but today we're on concrete, so that doesn't matter. Obviously when you're here as well, obviously depending on what ground you're on, you want to have just a little bit of a slope just to make sure the water runs off and doesn't pile up on the awning. You can adjust that. Obviously the legs are interchangeable, so you can adjust them as and when you want, just to suit your environment. Now taking it down is just as easy. We just do what we've done then in reverse. Press that pin, drop that leg. Same the other side. Perfect. And then start with this one here. Start with the right pin here. Push that pin. Push these in. 2, 3, and then it will release off of this clasp here, and you can put that one down. So this is sort of the trickiest bit here, is balancing it on the other side whilst you're trying to unclip it. So what you're going to do is just keep a bit of tension on this to stop this side collapsing. So again, you want to come over this side here, 1 clip here, and this will release here. And then this here, you want to just use the awning itself, push it like that. Now we're back in this position here. So the key thing here is to not forget to press this clip in. If you forget to press that clip, it's a nightmare. So get that clip in like this, pull this up, and then just make sure this black foot here is sat on the outside and not stuck in that hook, otherwise it won't go in correctly. Same to the side. Nice and easy. Push the clip, release the peg, and then you just roll it up, keeping it relatively tight just to make sure it's not baggy and it fits in the casing nicely. Same the other side, tuck these little bits in. Make sure the legs are pulled all the way in each side when it won't close. There's a little clip here you press, pull that down, same to the side. And that's it, guys.